everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Manjrekar Hauls and Reviews. From the thumbnail and from the title itself, you all must have got a little bit of idea. Yes, definitely I am going to review today a new launch product which is from Bella Vosted. It is their mini lipsticks. Now it's only me who knows how I got the delivery of this product. Please don't ask me how I got the delivery, but yes, for the review purpose I got the delivery of the product on time. Right, now I'll just tell you the brief details about the packaging and all. Then in this particular video itself I have swatched with and without makeup all 6 shades. Yes, I have got all 6 shades for you. So with and without makeup the swatches are there, as well as the hand swatches are there. Each and everything is mentioned in the description box with the timestamp. So if you are here only just for the swatches, you can directly move to that particular timestamp and you can watch the swatches. Otherwise you can watch the full video. It will only help you. You will get all the detailed information about the lipstick. Now it says Bella Vosted the Perfect Pout Sheer Cream Lust Lipstick. The net content what you get is 1.2 grams. The packaging is this. It is a little bit similar to their highlighter stick. If you have not watched that video, I have swatched all their highlighter sticks like on the camera itself. I'll link that video up in the I button as well as in the description box. You can go ahead and watch that video after watching this video. Now we'll talk about this lipstick. The content is 1.2 gram as I told you. The net MRP, sorry, the MRP of this product is 149 rupees, that is 149 rupees, and in this you get total 6 shades. The manufacturing is February 2021, that is this is the recently manufactured product, and the total shelf life of this product, you can use this product till January 2024. So total shelf life you are getting is 3 years, 21, 22, 23 and 24. So total 3 years you are going to get the shelf life. Marketing and everything, each and every detailed information is given over here, as well as the toll free number is given. If at all you have any query, any doubt, you can definitely call up on that toll free number. They can help you out. Plus their website address is also given, and that email address is given. If you have other any query, you can definitely mail them. I got this product directly from Bella Vosted's website. Right, now as I told you, 149 is the MRP. The shade numbers over here, what they have given you, they have skipped 6 numbers in between. M01, then M7, then M13, then M19, then M25, yeah, M25 and M31. So altogether total 6 shades. The inner packaging, when we talk about the inner packaging, the lipstick looks like this. Okay, it is a total black bullet. Total black bullet. Over here it is written Bella Vosted the Perfect Pout. That's all is written on the lipstick. When you just turn around, on the bottom, that is on the bottom of the lipstick, they have given you lipstick M01 1.2 gram and their code number. That is what details are given over here. So the manufacturing and expiry is not written on this packaging. So if you want to throw away, you have to make a tag or something on this lipstick. Otherwise you have to make a note somewhere. Otherwise if you will throw away, you won't be able to make out when you can, till when you can use this lipstick. So definitely you all know I keep each and everything in the packaging itself. So for me it is not a big deal. But if someone is like willingly want to throw away the packaging, then definitely note down. Right, and this, the one thing is, it is like you have to twist. It's not like only the bullet lipstick as you get in Just Tubs and all. I'll show you the Just Tub lipstick also, because like over here you exactly get like the bigger lipstick, similar kind of, this is a mini lipstick. This much is the quantity what you are going to get in this particular lipstick, all together one lipstick. Right, so this is the detailed information. Now what I'll do is I'll now attach the swatches with and without makeup. You can just enjoy the swatches of with and without makeup. On your left hand side it will be without makeup, on your right hand side it will be with makeup. And after attaching the swatches, I'll also attach the hand swatch of all the shades. I have like swatched in front of camera only, and it will be one stroke application, so you all definitely can make out how it looks and everything. Now we'll move towards the swatches. Now you all have already seen the swatches of lip swatches as well as the hand swatches. I told you in the beginning only, I will compare it with the Just Dubs lipstick. Only the thing is, the Just Dubs ones is micro mini, whereas this one is mini. Okay, this is the Just Dubs one. I have already made a separate review video for the same. If at all possible, I'll link that video up in the I button as well as in the description box. So if you have not watched that video, in this I have also swatched 16, if I'm not wrong, they are in 16 shades. It is with and without makeup. Again, with and without makeup. So if you have not watched, I'll link that video. Right, and this is a retractable, like retractable, it means you have to rotate and you have to use the lipstick. So this is the one advantage. This looks exactly like lipstick and this looks kind of a toy for me. But then definitely if you are looking out for some mini lipstick, I suggest you can go for this, because in this there are pretty good shades what they have come up with. Now they say it is a sheer cream lust lipstick. Of course they never claim that it is a transfer proof of anything. We'll just see whether it transfers. Of course it is going to transfer. How much, we will see. Yes, it is transferring, because they say it is sheer cream lust lipstick. You all can see it is transferring. And definitely the main advantage of this lipsticks are you can definitely reapply it without like removing it all. You can definitely apply on this itself. If my lipstick is worn off from some other parts or something on from my lips, then I can definitely reapply it without removing it totally. Whereas in liquid lipstick you have to remove the total and then you have to reapply. But in this there is one plus point, as well as the cost factor. It is 149 rupees, and definitely on Bella Vossa's website you can find these lipsticks on sale also. So if you are interested, I have seen this lipstick now, they have launched on purple also, but on purple it is like only 2 shades. In this I think I have seen only 2 shades. In other range I have seen all 6, but in this I've seen only 2 shades. So if you are interested in the whole range, like if you want to buy the all 6 shades, then I'll definitely give you the buying link in the comment section. It will be pinned in the comment section. You can go ahead and you can buy directly from Bella Vossa's website, or else if you want to wait, you can wait till it launches on purple and you can buy it from purple also. So yeah, basically I have covered each and everything, but still if you have any other query, you can definitely let me know in the comment section, or else if you want to DM me, I'll give you my Instagram handle also over here. You can DM me on Instagram also, and if at all any video request, that is any video suggestions if you have, you can let me know that also either in the comment section, or else you can DM me over my Instagram. Yeah, I guess that's it for today's video. If you are watching till here, please give it a huge thumbs up, because 6 shades with makeup, without makeup, editing and all, it takes a lot of time. And right now my lips are also burning, because these are not only 6 shades. There is one other range also which I have already done. Like I am already in the process of making the video, like the swatches and all is done. So stay tuned to my channel. And yeah, so definitely you can say 12 shades with makeup, without makeup. So it takes a lot of effort. So I'll urge you, I'll request you, give it a huge thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family. And if you have not subscribed yet, please don't go without subscribing. It will not cost you anything, but it will encourage me to make such more and more fun videos for you all. Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.